Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I'm installing Kali Linux in VirtualBox using my MacBook Pro. Uh, I have already downloaded the installation file down here. You can download them from any browsers. You can just type download Kali Linux, and if you click on this link, it will direct you to the installation file. It will recommend you. So I have downloaded this one because it is recommended for me. If you are using Silicon ARM 64-bit, you should just click here and download that file. But for me, it's gonna be this one. If you don't know which version of Mac you're using, you can check from here about this Mac. I'm not gonna click it here. But yeah, that's how you can do it. And for VirtualBox, you can just go download VirtualBox, and yeah, it's gonna be this link as well. And yep, whatever host you are on, I just said I'm doing it on Mac, so I'll be downloading this anyway. So it's Intel, so mine is Intel anyway. I just downloaded this. Let's use same then. This is gonna be your laptop password. Right now I'm installing VirtualBox. Then we can start configuring Kali Linux inside VirtualBox. Hopefully my laptop will be alright. It's already making weird sound. Okay, so VirtualBox is already installed. I can move it to the bin. I will no longer need this. So yeah, get rid of this. And VirtualBox. Okay, so new. I'm gonna just name it Kali. And Linux. So it's already chose the OS version. This is the VM folder. It will be saved in this folder, VirtualBox VMs. ISO file. I will select ISO file later, not now. And 64. Yeah, it's alright. Let's set up the OS installation file. I'll do this later. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna give it a. I'm gonna go with base memory. This should be alright, but let's say. Yeah. Should be fine. CPU, if you want to give it 2, you can. Up to you guys. And for hard disks, I'm gonna give it a 25 GB. At least give it a 20. I'm gonna go with 25. And yep, you can finish. So this is all good. Now go to the settings. If you want to configure some other systems, this you can do it, but I'm just gonna leave it default. I'm gonna go to storage and go to empty. That's where we're gonna choose it, Dix file. So this one right there, open. Okay, so this is, we already imported the installation file, right? Let's start the machine. Let's maximize it, view, and yep, graphic installation, yep, just click enter. Okay, continue. I'm gonna go with English. Yeah, United Nations, and it says so. And yep. Crop. Okay, for hostname, I'm just gonna give it a Kali. You can give anything. And domain, I'm just gonna escape it, like leave it empty. For full name, username, I'm just gonna give it Kali. Use your account for your account Kali, and give it a password. Make sure you type the password correct, and don't forget it, you're gonna need it later. Maybe note it down somewhere. I mistakenly press a key, so alrighty. So I'm gonna give it Estonia time. Okay, so from here, yeah, just go guided use intradex, and yep, continue, and all file in one portion, yep, and finish. I'm gonna go with yes. I would say yes. It's gonna take time. I'm gonna pause the video, and I'll come back when it's in the next stage or finished. Okay, here, so just leave it as default, or you can check this in as well. College desktop, a default desktop environment. I'm gonna check that as well, or you can take out more if you like. Just gonna hit continue. So guys, it almost take an hour for me. It might take less time for you guys, depending on your Wi-Fi speed. Let me maximize it. Just double click here and it will maximize. Just in here, just select yes, continue, and select this and continue. It's gonna take some time again. Yeah, I might have to come back. Okay, so in here we just gotta so we almost finished the installation for I'm just gonna continue, and this is gonna take a few seconds or a minute to finish installation, and hope you remember the password that we set. It is just restarting. Let's see. There we go. We successfully installed Kali Linux, but I'm still not sure. Oh, okay, there you go. Now log in with your details. I said Kali, and that is my password. And there you go, we are in here. So there's like, you can just browse around. I'll make a few other videos on this. For now it's gonna be too long video, so I'm just gonna end this session right here. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment down if you have any issues. I'll be happy to reply every single comment. And yeah, yeah, please if you can subscribe to the channel, that would be great for me. Like, share, subscribe, yeah, if you can. Thanks guys, catch you later, bye.